Hello, today we will guide you through how to AD Dataset in Google Colab. To begin, open Google Colab and land on the Welcome to Colab page. This is the starting point where you can create and manage notebooks, and it is also where you can access files that will be used in your project. If you are new to Colab, think of it as a cloud-based environment where you can write and run Python code directly in your browser. Once you are on the page, look to the left-hand side and click the folder icon in the navigation panel. This opens the file browser, which lets you view the current files available in your Colab session. This area is important because uploaded datasets will appear here, making them easy to reference in your notebook. Next, click on Upload. This allows you to bring a dataset directly from your computer into the current Colab session. After selecting Upload, choose your sample dataset file and wait for it to finish uploading. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the upload is complete, you should see the dataset listed in the File panel. After that, find the uploaded dataset and click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you more options for working with the file. From that menu, select Copy Path. This is a very useful shortcut because it copies the exact file location that Colab uses, which helps avoid typing mistakes when you reference the dataset in code. Now move to the top area of the notebook and click Add, then choose Code. This inserts a new code cell into your notebook. Code cells are where you run commands, load files, and work with your dataset. In the new code cell, paste the copied path. This path can then be used as part of your Python code to load the dataset into your notebook. Once the path is pasted into the code cell, click Run to execute it. Running the cell tells Colab to process the code or path you have entered. If everything is set up correctly, this confirms that your dataset is now accessible from within the notebook. A helpful tip to remember is that files uploaded this way are tied to the current Colab session. If the session resets, you may need to upload the dataset again. That is why copying the path carefully and checking the file in the folder panel can save time and prevent errors. And that's it. You have successfully added a dataset in Google Colab and prepared it for use in your notebook.